I choose the vegetables. I choose the vegetables. I wash the lettuce. I wash the lettuce.
I put the lettuce in a basket. I put the lettuce in a basket. I tear the lettuce. I tear the lettuce. I peel the carrot. I peel the carrot. I grate the carrot. I grate the carrot. I slice the cucumber. I slice the cucumber. I cut the tomato. I cut the tomato. I chop the onion. I chop the onion. I squeeze the lemon. I squeeze the lemon. I pour the olive oil. Pour the olive oil.
I whisk the dressing. I whisk the dressing.
I add some salt. I add some salt. I sprinkle the pepper. I sprinkle the pepper. I toss the salad. I toss the salad. I taste the salad. I taste the salad. I set the table. I set the table. I serve the salad. I serve the salad. We share the meal. We share the meal. All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.